Okay, so this IXL is it's not difficult. It's just in some parts a little bit tedious. So even I did it, and I found that I had to slow down and really pay attention to what was going on. So it's going to ask you questions like this. Which angle is complementary to angle 5? So here's angle 5. We know whichever angle is complementary needs to make 90 degrees. So I'm basically looking at this right here. And so angle 1 would be complementary to 5. This one says which angle is vertical to CFE. CFE is this right angle right here. Vertical means directly opposite. So that would be angle BFA or AFB. This one says which angle is vertical to 3. Here's 3. You need to go directly opposite 3. So straight across to 6. This one says which angle is vertical to AGC. AGC is this right angle. So we need FGD for the other right angle. This one asks which angles are supplementary to 5. Select all that apply. Well, this one is a little bit tricky. Angle 5 is this right angle, and we know that because it's opposite another right angle. So really, there's only one option, which is 2. Your first instinct is to look adjacent, but that won't actually work. You need to look for the other 90-degree angle. So that's going to be 2. And you just need to know that 90 plus 90 is supplementary. This one asks which angle is supplementary to 3. It's the same thing as before. 3 is a right angle. Opposite is 6, which is also a right angle, and there's no other right angles. So the only option is 6. This one says which angles are complementary to BDC. BDC is this angle. This is actually pretty easy because we have a right angle and it's split by ADB. So we're going to go ahead and do ADB. And if they had a BDA, that would be okay too, but this one asks which angle is vertical to DFE. DFE that would be this part right here. We go directly opposite, so it would be AFB. This one asks which angle is vertical to angle 2. Angle 2 is this narrow sliver right here. We go directly across to 5. This one asks which is an angle supplementary to CED. CED is this part right here. So there's actually 2 options. We could do DEA or we could do CEB. We'll go ahead and do CEB. Which angle is congruent to KGL? KGL is this angle right here. We know that a vertical angle would be congruent, so we can do AGB or BGA. This asks which angles are congruent to BEC. Well, that would be anything that's opposite BEC, which is AED or DEA, BEC, or DEA, right here. Which angles are congruent to 2? Well, that would only be 4 since 4 is opposite. That should give you the idea. They get tricky. They add extra lines in there, but if you just go slow and pay attention, you should be able to figure it out.